This is an instructional video by Clear Choice Water Filters on how to install a pure bath shower filter. So you'll find there's everything you need inside the box to install the shower filter. So place the O-ring inside the thread. And the other one goes at the other end. Grab a spanner and just undo your shower rose. Okay, then screw the shower filter into the top of the shower, just hand tightening. Then take your shower rose with the O-ring inside and screw it onto the thread coming from the shower filter itself. And there you have it. Your shower filter is installed and ready to use. This has been an instructional video from Clear Choice Water Filters. We hope it's been useful. Should you have any questions, please feel free to call us on 1300 001 752 or visit our website www.clearchoicewaterfilters.com.au.